Long before in a faraway galaxy, there was planet Altair. Two alien races lived on this planet. Both the aliens fought for the resource corrodium, a rare mineral and power source of all the machines on the planet. To stop the fight, the elders came up with a plan and designed a huge mining machine. Aliens came to know that there are 4 types of corrodium minerals, namely mirium, quadrium, polyrodium, and symmetrium. The aliens are ready for mining. Let's hit the rocks and get the mineral corrodium and divide them equally to the aliens. Mirium. Both the aliens are waiting for the corrodium minerals. All the minerals are hidden inside the rocks. Click or tap to break the rock. Here half-shaped minerals are found. Click on the right mirror image. Brilliant. The imaginary line or axis passing through the center of the mineral is called the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. This mineral has one line of symmetry. This line of symmetry is also called a mirror line because it presents 2 reflections of the mineral. It is also called reflection symmetry. Click on the laser lines to divide the mineral. Good. This mineral has one line of symmetry. Click on the right mirror image to form. Neat. This corrodium plus has 4 lines of symmetry, 2 along the midpoints of the opposite sides and 2 along the diagonals. Click on the line of axis to divide the mineral. Superb. Plus has 4 lines of symmetry. Choose the symmetrical part of the. Good job. The star corrodium has 5 lines of symmetry, on which it can be folded so that both sides match perfectly. A star corrodium can be rotated 5 times along its tip and looks the same every time. Hence star corrodium is a rotational symmetry of 5. Rotational symmetry means we can rotate the mineral around a fixed point and it looks the same. Click on the lines to divide the mineral. Great. Star has 5 lines of symmetry. We have practiced dividing the minerals symmetrically. Both the aliens wanted to operate their machines. Form the symmetry pattern to start the machine. Drag and drop the minerals to reflect the pattern and activate the circuit. The circuit is fixed. Well done. Brilliant. Level completed. Quadrium. The machine starts mining the minerals in the landscape of the planet. Aliens are waiting with good hope to find new minerals for activating their circuit. Hit the rock. We got a quadrilateral-shaped mineral. Cut the square corrodium symmetrically. Click or tap to plot the laser pointer on the mineral. Fantastic. Square has 4 lines of symmetry, 2 along the midpoints and 2 along the diagonals. It's a rectangle corrodium. Place the laser points to cut the mineral. Superb. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. The lines of symmetry in a rectangle corrodium cut its opposite sides into equal parts. This mineral parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. Click on the center of the mineral to break the mineral. Good. A parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. Plot the laser points to divide them equally. Excellent. This type corrodium has 1 line of symmetry. Aliens have got the quadrilateral corrodium. Let's activate the circuit by placing the minerals on the opposite side. Mirror the pattern of the circuit by placing the minerals. Great. Good. Level completed. Aliens feel better, but their curiosity in collecting the corrodium minerals is still awake. Let's start mining without losing hope. Break the rock. Good to find a polygon-shaped corrodium or polyrodium. Guess the number of lines of symmetry for the polyrodium and input the number in the box. Excellent. Pentagon has 5 sides and 5 lines of symmetry. Now plot the laser points to cut the mineral into equal halves. Try again. Brilliant. This pentagonal corrodium has 5 lines of symmetry. Input the number of lines of symmetry for the polyrodium. Superb. Draw the line of symmetry by placing the laser pointers. Nice. This polyrodium has 1 line of symmetry. This polyrodium is irregular. Click on the mineral to. Superb. Irregular polygon has no lines of symmetry. It is a hexagonal polyrodium. Input the lines of symmetry. Great. Plot the laser pointers to cut the minerals. Fantabulous. This mineral has 6 lines of symmetry. It is a regular polyrodium. Input the lines of symmetry for this regular Try again with the hint below. Try again, using this hint. Nice. Plot the laser pointers to divide the mineral. Marvelous. This polyrodium has 4 lines of symmetry and is divided into 8 equal parts. It seems to be an irregular polyrodium. Smash the mineral by. This irregular polyrodium has no lines of symmetry. Let's fix the circuit and start the circuit work. Good job. Level completed. Symmetry. We are at the end of the horizon. Let's continue mining the minerals. Break the rocks. We found the minerals broken. Click on the minerals and place them in the shaper to form the shape. Great. It is in triangular corrodium with all sides equal. Place the laser pointers to cut the minerals symmetrically. Good work. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Join the broken pieces of the minerals. Nice. It is a rhombus. Plot the laser pointers to cut the minerals symmetrically. Superb. Rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry which cuts the mineral into 2 parts diagonally. Bring the broken pieces of the minerals into the shaper to form its shape. Good. It is a scalene triangle. Click on the mineral to break. Good. A scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. Join the mineral pieces. Nice. It is a oval corrodium. Smash it by placing the laser pointer symmetrically. Well done. Oval has vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. So this mineral has 2 lines of symmetry. Put the broken minerals into the shaper to form. Good show. It is a trapezoid. Divide the mineral by plotting. Awesome. A trapezoid has 1 line of symmetry. Join the minerals. Neat. The mineral is irregular in shape. Smash it by clicking on the. This shape has no lines of symmetry. Place the broken pieces. Superb. Cut the mineral symmetrically by plotting the laser points. Fantastic. This shape has one line of symmetry. Let's move on to the circuit to reflect the pattern. Brilliant. Great. Level completed. Aliens are happy to find enough corrodium minerals. Both the alien races are thankful for your support.